Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're here at the Artistry Design District. This is a beautiful, huge pool here. So let's check this out. This is a visual treat for the eyes, frankly. You've got a really nice grilling station over here, beautiful areas that are covered. And then here's the pool itself. It's a sparkling pool. It's got fountains going out of it over there and over there. So many seats. I mean, this is meant to hold a lot of people. There's probably, I don't know, 50 seats here easily, maybe more, maybe 60, 70, 80. I don't know. It's meant for a lot of people. And you can see there's actually a stage over there. So you can be watching stuff here. I guess it's not technically a stage, but you could have a huge video party over there. That's all good. I love that. And there's cornhole, and it does have speakers. So heck, maybe there is a stage. But anyway, you've got a really fun looking area. I mean, look at this. It's just a gorgeous place. You'd really love it here. So anyway, that's what it looks like. Now we're gonna go check out the fitness center. Let's go into that right now. If you have any questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.